Then I begin in one of the pillars of Salat, which is Al-Fatiha. So I say, Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen, Ar-Rahman Ar-Rahim. I say each ayah and I stop and I pause. Not Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen, Ar-Rahman Ar-Rahim, Maliki Yawmiddin, Iyaka na'budu wa Iyaka nasta'een, Uhdina as-sirata al-mustaqim. I ran out of breath. If I were younger, I would have continued the whole surah. This is permissible, but it is not the sunnah. The sunnah is to stop at the end of each verse with a pause. And this is why when we pray, we don't find the taste and beauty of it, because we want to rush things. While if you say, Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen, Ar-Rahman Ar-Rahim, Maliki Yawmiddin, you find that there is tranquility, submissiveness, khushu' in your salat. You get closer to Allah Azza wa Jalla. I finish Fatiha. This is a pillar.